to start recording. Now I want to open another notepad to document this event. So I'm going to the notepad and I'm going to open another notepad, another instance of the notepad. Then I'm pasting in it the video file name that I just created that includes the words my video dash today's date dash today's time dot mpeg. And in addition to that, I want to write a little explanation about the topic of our current recording and demonstration. That will be what's up. I type what's up with PickyBot. What's up, PickyBot? Demo. So that is the topic of today's presentation. I would like to save it to my hard drive, so in case I get disconnected, my notes will remain. So I mark the topic with the video file name with a cursor and go edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then file, save as. And I intend to save it to my hard drive. So first of all, I go Control V to paste the file name, and then I click on Documents, and I'm trying to navigate to the log subfolder to save it in my log subfolder first. So I'm going to navigate to the letter L to save it in it, and I found the letter L. I double click it to open it up. I copied the path to the log subfolder with Control C, copied it to the clipboard buffer. Now I'm inserting it at the beginning field of the file name field with a backslash. Then I want to put in a prefix of today's date and time, which is 4/26/2025. So I type 4-26-2025, and the day of the week is Saturday, so I'm going to abbreviate it with capital S and lowercase a period, and the time of the day is 10:04, 10.04, and then AM to indicate that this is the morning time. And now I got a complete string that includes the folder, today's date, and the file name, and the topic of what's up and PiggyBot demo. Now I want to copy this file name to my clipboard buffer, save it, and then paste it into my notes with Control V, couple of enters, and file save. So I save my file with the new notes. I'm going to make it a tad smaller so I can fit it up in the right corner of the screen without taking the entire screen. My next job is to install the desktop of WhatsApp on my computer so I can make an outbound calls with a PickyBot. So I'm going to go to the browser and see if I can find WhatsApp and install it WhatsApp desktop. So I type what's up desktop for Windows. Download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac, and PC. So I'm going to select that. In addition to that, I want to also document it with the Pizarro problem step recorder. So I have the details step by step. So I clicked on the Pizarro, and now I'm checking the settings to make sure that I set it up to a maximum of 999 screens. So I upgrade the default of 25 to 999 and click OK. And now that it works, I'm going to try to download the WhatsApp for iOS, Mac, and PC. I aim, of course, at Windows. WhatsApp free download and install on Windows. So I'm going to click on it.
Why not this one?
We can do this one for from the WhatsApp.com.
I think that's a better.
The best one to download is always the company, the developer itself. This way, you don't have to deal with intermediaries that may stick up all kinds of other things
May not have the latest version.
and may not have the latest version. And on the right upper corner, you see the icon for download.
Yeah, but you want to make sure it's desktop.
It says desktop Windows, but to be sure, you can scroll down a little. So I'm going to click down on that and see if it will enable me to download it right here. WhatsApp installer.exe is done. And now that it is done, I can either click on it or go to my File Explorer, open it, and go to the download subfolder. So I'm going to click on the download subfolder, and I expect to see here are two downloads. Both of them are from the same source. And sometimes it's a good idea to do it twice and compare the size. Make sure that the size is the same, which it is, and then click on the first one to install it locally. So I install it locally to run on the desktop of this Windows 11 desktop, and it is checking for updates as we speak.
You have to get your phone out because you're gonna need.
I may have to get my phone up and turn my phone up.
Just turn it
So
on.
I got my phone here, and I'm going to turn it on.
You get your scan.
So it is checking for update, and I got my phone up and working here. And I want to enable anyone to use it. Then it says select an app to open this HTTP link. The question is, what should I use? Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Shift? Which browser should I use?
No, this is not good because you want to download. It's like an app to open this link. The link is for what? Because you wanted to download it to your desktop, not to have a WhatsApp in a browser. Let me look at what this said beforehand. I don't think you installed the right one because you didn't
I
install.
didn't install anything yet.
Can you move it?
Let
The
me click
latest
on
version.
open.
It says the latest version is installed.
Okay, so now we have to open it. Let's see if I can
Yeah,
open it and
you
it
have to follow
works.
it, which it does.
Okay, so now it installed it.
It has it there, and you have Picky Butt. You had it already. You understand? Here's
Okay,
big. This is it, and you have white phone. You have it already.
so let me make a call to white phone, a video call to white phone,
Right there. See here? Here's the video.
and see if we can demonstrate PickyBot on the white phone. But before I continue, I want to save it to Pessar so Pessar doesn't get to be too long. Let me go to Peshar, see if I can save it and then restart it again. Oh, start recording. So I didn't start recording, so I can start recording now
What? Step
on
recorder.
step recorder, which
What's
is
it?
a perfect time. And now I want to make a video call to white phone. So I click on it, double click on it, and make sure
What?
that it makes an outbound call to white phone. Your camera is being used by another application.
What do you use?
So let me close the other application.
What's the other?
I stop the camera, then I close the camera and retry.
Okay.
And
So you may want to lower your volume.
then I want to lower my volume. Let's start with 50% or 30% or 18%. Let's start at 20%.
Okay, fine. Oh,
Is that good?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And now I'm going to lower it to the speaker. Okay, now, do you want to share your screen? You want to, or do you want me to share my screen?
I want to share my screen
Okay, so you
so
share it.
people can see the desktop.
So we got to figure out how to share a screen now. What's up? Let me first figure out for myself. And then, oh, here in the three dots. So here, click on here. Click on the bottom.
On the up arrow,
No,
start screen
screen
sharing.
sharing right there. See
Yes.
that?
So I click on the up arrow to start
Then you can set.
sharing and then select.
You don't want the video call. You want the entire screen, right? Share your window. Pull this down. Share your display or your window. I guess
Your
your
display
display.
all the
That says display one. That's not good. Share your
display.
window. No, that's not good. Share your window.
Show your window.
Yeah. Then what you want? You have too many windows open. That's the problem. See, these are all your windows that are open. What do you want to do? WhatsApp? Is that what you want to share?
Share the pixie bot,
Well,
but I
yeah.
don't see it here.
What? Because you don't have the pixie bar. Here, go here. Share this.
You have to share it on your
No, I
computer
know,
to show
but Chloe, I say okay,
it.
but I have
Okay,
to share it from mine.
fine.
Okay, you
You
cannot
cannot place a WhatsApp
call
call
if
if you're
you're
already
already
on
in.
one.
Okay, so you know that, right?
Okay.
Okay, this is what's up. This is just so you know. This is your WhatsApp chat. Okay,
Yes.
so now what I'm gonna do is you stop
Here
sharing.
I can have
No,
pixie bot. What
yeah,
is what
no,
if I click on it?
it's not gonna work right now. Let me
I know.
explain to
Okay.
you how it works.
So explain to
Okay, quiet, and then listen, and then try to see if you understand it. Not repeat, but try to understand. It's a difference repeating the words versus understanding. How PixieBot works is PixieBot works through your phone, through the app PixieBot. And then this PixieBot for WhatsApp is a container that will you can you can share to PixieBot just as if you could share to my email, you can share to others.
let me display the image of your phone on the screen now.
My phone on the
Yes,
screen,
your
so
phone.
you have to stop sharing. You have to stop sharing.
Phone number, just say.
You need to stop sharing. Don't close this. You don't want to close WhatsApp. You just have to stop sharing. Okay. You're in now WhatsApp on a phone call. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen. Okay, and I'll show you how to do it.
Share your screen.
See here, share screen.
Yes.
Start now. Get your phone out.
Fine. I have my phone.
Okay. Now, look at this. Now, do you see my screen? This is my screen.
You're sharing your screen.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm
Run
going
Pixie Bot.
I'm going to go to Pixie Bot. You see my screen here?
Yes.
I'm going to go to Pixie Bot. Okay, I'm going to make a little video.
Let me do that. Okay, so we are going to press the video camera
You see?
icon on the phone. Okay, to run Pixie Bot. It says tip. Share photos and videos from Instagram Messenger or TikTok. Just tap share and select PixieBot. Right now, I don't want to share. I want to make a video,
Right. And then share.
so I will share it later.
What's
So
up?
for now, I want to click on the leftmost icon on the bottom that has the picture of a video camera.
So you can show it right here. See? I'm going to do it, and you can move the cursor where it is.
Just
Because
me
you're
click is
recording
fine.
this.
Okay, so we're going to share it. I'm going to click
You're not
on
sharing.
it,
You're not sharing.
and now you can see the image of the room,
But you're not
whatever the
recording.
camera, whatever my camera on the phone is pointing at.
You're not recording until you press the
In
red.
fact, I can aim my camera at the screen,
Yeah.
and notice also that
But
at
you
the
but you're
top,
not Pixie Bot yet.
notice that on the
Yeah,
top,
you don't want to record Pixie Bot yet.
notice that on the top, on your phone, there will be the number 01:00.
Gives you
That means that the counter max is 1 minute, and as soon as I press the red button, it will start recording the video on my phone and run down this counter all the way to zero when it will stop the video recording. And after that, it will try to interpret it. So I'm going to press the big red button to start the recording.
right here.
And I started it now. It comes with 56, 55 seconds.
Talk about what you're doing. You're recording in Pixie Bot. You're aiming at at your computer.
And I rotate it around so the camera can see 360 degrees around. And then,
You're running Pixie Bot, and on your laptop you're running WhatsApp, and my phone screen running Pixie Bot is displaying on your computer in WhatsApp.
fine, then I elevate it and I run it one more time, aiming at the surrounding environment over and above the screen
Right.
of the laptop.
Okay, you have
And now
two.
I got the 2, 1, and 0.
Now this is what, now when it's compressing, you see how it says it's compressing? Because I'm sharing my phone running Pixie Bot on WhatsApp. We're in that WhatsApp. We're in a WhatsApp conversation.
I rotate it around so I can. The kid. Okay, let.
What happened? Can you get out of it?
Just a second, please.
Okay.
Down this video together. Initially, we are looking at a laptop screen. On the screen, we can see the WhatsApp app is open, with a window that is essentially a live video feed of the laptop's own keyboard. Within this live feed, there's a red recording icon, which means it's recording. The main view of the laptop is a white keyboard with a hand typing on it. Then the camera moves, showing the screen itself, and someone is pointing at the WhatsApp symbol on the bottom of the screen. Next, the camera pans around a room that seems pretty cluttered and dimly lit. We see shelves packed with various items, a TV in the background playing a news program, and an unmade bed. Finally, the camera is pointed towards a window that's letting in sunlight.
That's it. Now, what you want to do at this point is share. Go to share.
So to go to share, I'm going to the very last.
You show it with the cursor where you're going.
I'm going to the very last icon
On the right,
on the bottom of the phone.
not the very last, the
That's
furthest right.
right on top of the ad. Your forever home is,
Right. See, if you use the cursor, you can
and it is
show
in the shape
like
of
of a
a
note.
rectangular
No,
note, a box with a couple of horizontal lines in it.
that's oppressive.
So I'm tapping it, and then I scroll down to the very bottom of the Pixibot screen when there are three more icons. One is a play button, the second one is a couple of
It's copy button.
boxes
It's a
for
copy.
copying, and finally the third one
It's a share button.
is a share button, and it has three circles connected with straight lines.
So click on the share.
I'm going to click on the share button, and
Yeah.
then I'm going to select share video.
Okay. Click on share video.
On the share, choose an option dialog box of Pixibot.
Okay. Share
So
video.
I click share video,
And now what you're going to do is you're going to
and
go.
then it displays a bunch of icons,
Either you have
one
WhatsApp.
of which is SRush.
No one is
And
no, no,
SRush,
no. We're doing PixieBot now.
and SRush
No,
is the email address
we're not
where
going to
I
do.
want to
No,
share the
I don't.
video.
I don't want to do that now.
So
We've
don't
gone.
scream. Explain to me what do you want to do.
Give me the
Don't
phone.
scream, please.
I want to go to WhatsApp.
Yes. What do you want to do on WhatsApp?
Go to PixieBot.
So you want to go to WhatsApp? It's
Yeah.
on the bottom, second one from the bottom, on the
Or
left hand
or
side.
do PixieBot. What happens if I share with PixieBot?
You want me to run PixieBot again?
First, no. I want you to do WhatsApp.
What is the purpose of that?
Sharing with PixieBot, and then you'll see it here.
Just don't scream, please. I'll do what you want.
No.
But I want you first to explain what is the purpose of clicking on the on the WhatsApp icon.
Then you'll be able to share it here in the WhatsApp icon with PixieBot. Because
Okay,
Pixie,
please don't scream. I'm going to do
let's
what
see.
you want. Please don't scream.
We'll see what it is. WhatsApp. Now look for PixieBot.
So now I scroll down in order to find the PixieBot icon. Here's the
Oh,
PixieBot icon.
okay.
Hey there, I'm using WhatsApp.
Yeah,
What do you want now?
yeah, there's a problem.
Tell me, please. Talk to
Okay,
me.
there's a problem
And don't scream, please.
because this WhatsApp is my WhatsApp, not your WhatsApp. Let's try PixieBot anyway. But do you
It will run PixieBot again.
No,
Don't
it
scream.
won't run PixieBot.
Okay, fine.
Don't say things
Please
that you
don't
know.
scream.
Okay, now
Now
say done.
click the right arrow on the bottom of
Yeah.
the screen for PixieBot again. Now it will play back. You want me to play back again the same message?
No, it's
That's the
sharing now.
only thing it can do.
Yeah, that's what the PixieBot is. Now let's do something else.
Don't scream.
Give me the phone. Jesus Christ. You're just so unbelievable. Okay, let's break this down video. Okay, so it did the same thing PixieBot. Okay, so it did the PixieBot. Now see here, you're in PixieBot,
Yeah.
and you read more what you just did. See, and it's trying to download. You did it, Avi. 14 minutes you're speaking about.
Download phone. What are you doing? Why did you stop it?
I'm going to share again. You see this? I'm going to try to share description. And now, you see you have PixieBot here?
Yes.
Let me see what happens if I share with PixieBot. Fetching the data. So
You're
he's trying.
starting a new cycle, which is
Okay.
not what I wanted to do.
See here? You have Avi Wiz called. Oh, because I understand what this is. Okay.
That's not what I wanted to do.
What do you want to do?
Please let me continue with the presentation without interrupting
Okay.
all the time, especially since you don't understand
And you understand.
anything.
Okay, what do you want to do now?
I wanted to run PixieBot, but I didn't want to rerun it. I wanted to share it. So I want to demonstrate to the viewer how to share it. So I click the share button.
That's not a share button. That's what you have in your the share button is no longer.
You already screwed it up. Now it is trying to download it. To drain the power also. You basically screwed up the application that you wanted to show. Suppress the volume to capture the photo out of the.
See what you have in memo. You have this and this. So you can run another version of PixieBot. Make it short.
Okay, so since you you interrupted me, I have to repeat it again.
Okay.
So I'm going to run PixieBot a second time, pressing the leftmost icon on the bottom, right above the ad. Repeat it.
You can show it right here because you're recording it.
Fine.
You understand? You use your cursor.
Repeat it in words.
So you're going to press
Describe
it.
it.
You're going to press the button on the left hand side.
So I'm going to restart it again. I got the recording screen and I'm going to start recording it. And I want to capture first the laptop to enable PixieBot to see and record the laptop. So I'm starting from that. Please don't do anything. And now the counter is running down. I want to rotate it 360 degrees so the camera can view our faces. And then yet again return to the base place. Then I want to elevate it to record the background and the content of the window outside so the camera can see the yard. It is processing now.
Did you stop it?
I didn't stop it. It ran down to the counter to the value of 0. Now it is going to process it.
You're not in PixieBot.
Please don't
You're
touch
not
it.
in PixieBot. You're not in PixieBot. You're in WhatsApp. You
Don't
don't
scream all the time.
move. You're not in PixieBot. Let me show you what to do.
Alright, let's take a look at this video. We start off with a close-up of a white laptop. On the
This is
screen,
it. You
there's
have
a
to
video
be in
of
here to
happening.
see it.
Within the
You
core, we see a
understand?
smaller window showing what looks like a recording in progress, pointed at the same white keyboard. A red record button is visible on that lower screen. The person speaking mentions a counter running down and wanting to rotate the view 360 degrees. As the camera moves, we catch a glimpse of the person holding the laptop sitting in a bed. They're wearing black and white pattern pants. The camera then does a full rotation, showing us a room that looks quite cluttered. We see shelves packed with items, a dresser, a small TV
You want to
with the
show
word
what
finance
the
on the screen at
words
one
are,
point, and a
right? So you
window.
have to move.
We also get quick looks at two people. One woman is wearing glasses and a black t-shirt with a design on it. The other person, a man with a grey beard, is wearing a head wrap. The camera
You have to
rotates again, showing the
hold it if
window
you want to
and
show
returning to the
what's
laptop
going
key.
on,
The
right?
person speaking says they want to elevate it to record the background and the contents of the window outside. Finally, we get a closer view of the window, where we can see green trees outside. The laptop appears to be clipped onto something, possibly the headboard of the bed.
Okay, at this point, what I wanted to do before is demonstrate
The
how
share.
to share it with an email address. Please don't touch anything.
You want to show where you're going to do it, so
Fine,
move
so
the
move the
cursor.
cursor there or leave it alone.
To show where you're going to press.
So I'm going to press the rightmost icon at the bottom, right above the head
Right
of
there.
Carrot Express.
Here. So you want to show it with your
It
cursor.
looks like a rectangular with a couple of horizontal lines in it. Please leave the cursor alone. So I'm going to press it, and then I get the image of PixieBot description. So I'm going to scroll up all the way to the bottom of the screen, looking for the share button. Right on top of the message, type what you are looking. There are three icons: a playback icon, a copy icon, and a share icon. So I want to select the share icon, and I place the cursor on the laptop on it. So I tap it, and then it shows up, share, choose an option. I want to start by sharing the video. And then I tap the share video icon. I got various icons, one of which is ARush, which is the email address for ARush. I'm going to place the cursor on it on the computer screen and tap it on the phone to send it to this email address, which has a small m icon in it. And it comes back with the text, and on the very right icon at the end, there is a blue arrow right to the left hand side of the three vertical dots on my phone. So I'm pressing it to execute the sharing with an email address. Then it comes back and gives me the same screen before.
But you
So
have to
I'm
go.
going to press again the share icon
You
to
did
share
see.
the description.
Let's do
Please don't interrupt. No, I did it already once and you ruined my presentation. So now I want to go down to the next icon that says share description. And that is off of the dialog, share and choose an option. So I tap the share description option to share the description with the same email address of SRush.
Then you
So
want to take your
notice that there is a little circle.
take your cursor and show.
There is a little circle with the letter M in it for the Gmail to indicate that this is a Gmail address. So I tap on it again, this time sharing the description. In order to conclude the sharing operation, I have to press the blue right triangle in the upper right corner of my phone next to the vertical dotted three dots. So I tap it to conclude the sharing operation of the description. Now I can log into the Gmail address and I should see in the Gmail address the video email and the description email.
go to Gmail.
To do that, I have to go to the Gmail address, and here you can see
Two.
at the top of the screen there are two emails from me that are entitled PixieBot. These two emails indicate that the PixieBot
Sent it.
email has been received at 10:35 a.m. the first one, and at 10:34 a.m. the second one.
Okay, let me do. You finished that one. Now let me show you what else I need to do.
No, let's
No,
continue.
no.
Open it up so I can show the content. Please stop interrupting me every
You,
time.
you, you see the content.
So notice that here is the description, and at the bottom, please let me show it. On the bottom, don't press anything.
Here you see the description, plus here you see a compressed file of your MP4.
There is a hyperlink at the bottom that says sparklingapps.com PixieBot. And at the bottom there is an attachment that said compressed dot
MP4.
dot 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 mp4, which is the video file that you can download. You can download it to the device. Either you can download to the phone and have the video, the 1 minute video on your phone, or you can try to download it to a PC. Let's try by downloading it to the phone. Can you tap the blue hyperlink, please? Or underneath it, tap the download arrow.
Failed to download.
So it failed to download, which means that it cannot download it to a phone. You have to download it to a PC.
No, it can download, but I just don't have enough resources.
So now I'm going to navigate to this Gmail address on the PC.
But you won't be able to see it.
For that
But
purpose, I make it a little
no,
smaller.
but you're not recording it. You're not seeing it on your WhatsApp.
Don't worry about it now, please. Before I continue,
Oh, here. Let me just do one thing.
what would
Okay.
you like to do?
I want.
Please don't scream.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna share my. I'll just make my video, and instead I want to go to WhatsApp. I want to go to my Pixie bot. Okay. I've gotten to my Pixie bot. Now what I want to do, which is interesting, is I want to also. I want to go. You listening? You listening? You see what I'm
Yes.
doing? Just see what I'm doing. So now what I want to do is I want to show you this is my this is my WhatsApp, and this is in PixieBot. You remember in PixieBot we could save things as part of WhatsApp? One time we did, you remember the Passover? This is my WhatsApp. You have a different WhatsApp. Since I'm using my phone to do PixieBot, when I save to WhatsApp PixieBot, it saves in my WhatsApp instance, not your WhatsApp app instance. So here today in my WhatsApp, you can see the description where somebody could be, I could be in my phone, I could be in my WhatsApp, and you can see what it is. So that's how WhatsApp works. So that PixieBot, having PixieBot in yours, so we can, you, I can do this, and now if I wanted, let me see if I can share this with you. If I do this, see if there. See here, Avi, look. I'm in WhatsApp on my instance on my phone. I'm in. I'm communicating with PixieBot. My last recording in PixieBot in WhatsApp, I can share it with you in your WhatsApp. So in this case, you see Avi was more biz. And now if you go to your and now I'm going to send it and I'm going to put a message to you. This is Pixie Bot sharing to my WhatsApp. Pixie Bot. Now go to your WhatsApp. Now go to your WhatsApp.
Right, let me save my pizarro, okay?
Okay.
Because
Now
it
I
will get too
understand.
long. I want to stop pizarro. Then I want to save it. So I click the save button. And I want to select the last file,
Last folder, no?
the last folder name, and overwrite portion of it with the current information and the current name.
Okay.
Control
Change.
V.
Then you have the wrong
Then I want to adjust the time,
date.
the date.
The date is it's 26.
So I can delete the old date. Then I want to insert also .zp to indicate that this is a zip type of file. What else is important to note here? WhatsApp, PixieBot, demo, and that was a call from PC to white phone, right? Call,
But it was a call from WhatsApp. WhatsApp desktop
call
from
to white phone. And call to white phone
WhatsApp. It's all within WhatsApp. Your desktop
from
was more busy.
from desktop
Desktop WhatsApp
top WhatsApp
was more busy.
desktop WhatsApp
Was more busy.
Windows 11 Win 11
Was more busy.
WhatsApp Kikibot video recording video re- recording plus description. I want to copy the psr.txt path to the clipboard and insert it as a prefix in the file name. Copy to the clipboard buffer and save it. And now that I saved it, I want to review the additional details and scroll up to see that was the last step was step number 29. As I'm starting a new recording, I want to navigate back to my notepad, Control V, and paste the pesar.txt file name in my notes. Go File, Save again to save it to my log subfolder on this PC. So let's say it's summary what we have done so far. I started my camera on the laptop on Windows 11, and then I started also recording it with MSN Recorder Max on this Windows 11 laptop. Then I downloaded WhatsApp installer twice and compared the size of it to verify that they are both the same size, and then I tried to run one of them and install it.
What is one?
One of the WhatsApp installer. And then he told me that the WhatsApp installer has installed the WhatsApp desktop version on my Windows 11 laptop.
You had it already installed because I actually went to your actual phone number, so you had it already installed. It was installed already.
And then I ran it. I ran WhatsApp on the Windows 11, and then I made a phone call to White Window, white phone, white phone. And after I made the call from WhatsApp desktop to white phone, it reflected it on the screen.
What did you
It
did video?
mirrored the image of the white
No,
phone
it did.
on the
No,
screen.
that's not.
What happened?
You first dialed in a video call from desktop Avi Wismore to white phone. White phone picked up the answer and you saw both callers. You saw yourself and you saw another woman. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Then white phone shared her screen and
White phone shared the white phone
screen,
screen
yes. And
with
then
the desktop and displayed
what was on
mirrored
that
the
phone?
phone screen on the desktop.
Right. You
Okay.
you have to initiate a share. Somebody has to share their screen. First, you have to initiate a call. You decided to initiate a video call.
That's right. And then it rang on your phone
Right.
and you accepted the call.
Right.
And then you shared your screen.
No, and then we both see each other's. We see each other because it's a video call. My camera is on and your camera was on from your laptop. Then I shared my screen. I physically shared my screen. So then on your laptop, you saw my screen. Do you understand?
Yes. And then we tried to share the video, the output of, we ran PixieBot.
No, then not we.
you ran Piggyback on your phone.
Right, and you saw how I was running it on your desktop.
That's
It
right.
displayed on your desktop. Then when then you took my phone and instigated PixieBot and you recorded 1 minute video on the PixieBot.
Okay.
Then PixieBot on my phone processed it, did it, and then came back with a conclusion on my phone and it was displayed on your desktop. Then on my phone, we went to the end of PixieBot description and shared. We shared with email, my email, and we
We
went to
shared the video, and then we shared the description.
description. Then we went to the Gmail account on my phone and it was displayed on your laptop because I'm sharing still my screen. And then you were able to see the email. Then what I did is I went back to PixieBot since PixieBot is still running and I shared in WhatsApp. When I share from my phone to WhatsApp, I get all my contacts, not your contacts. And one of my contacts, let me show it to you.
Why does it say Pixibot camera is off?
What?
Turn your Pixibot camera back on.
I don't know how. Where is
You
this?
turn the camera off. It says the Pixibot camera is off. What did you do to turn the camera off?
Here's PixieBot right here. This is
Okay,
PixieBot.
don't worry about it.
It
It
seems
turns
like
off by default.
it. No, WhatsApp turned off by make this larger.
Oh, turn off camera.
No, I don't want to turn off the camera. So let me go to WhatsApp.
Turn the camera on. Don't mess with it. It's fine now.
Okay.
Turn off camera.
Share your screen from WhatsApp.
Book.
I don't know. I have to find out why.
No.
What's this? Yeah. Start
Start.
screen share. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is what we did before. Now you can decide what you want to share.
What do you want me to
What?
share?
I don't know. What do you want to share?
You have to select screen to share.
No, that's not good. That's
No.
just your
What do you
window.
want?
Can you move this? Share your window, but can you share your entire screen? Go to here. What's share your display?
Share your display.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. And now say okay.
It's
That's
grayed out. I cannot say okay.
oh, it doesn't let you do it.
No.
Click on this. No. Okay. See, now I see your entire screen.
Okay.
So if you want to share, if you're talking to your brothers, you understand, and you want to share your screen, now you know how it's by display. You understand? So they're seeing what you have. Now, if you want to go to PickyBot or anything else, I'll be able to see it. So if you want to show them PickyBot or anything, you can show it. Okay, now you're sharing it. That's all.
So
That's all. And now you can stop sharing. I'm just showing you on your end. This works just like a phone. The only difference is it's just WhatsApp. It's a it's a phone app, but it displays on your desktop. You understand? That's where. So you can share all your apps on your phone with me, or I'm on a phone.
all my apps on the phone. What
No,
phone?
I said I'm on a phone. Your number applies to your phone. You're calling from your phone and WhatsApp. You just have the desktop version. So now you can share with me anything that's on your computer. I can see on the phone, but it's not by window, it's called by display. So usually what they say is share the entire screen. They call it share the display. That's all. Did you not understand that? What
Yes.
did you not
Fine.
understand? So repeat what we just did.
I'm sharing the computer screen.
And it's called in WhatsApp, it's called WhatsApp. Right. Why did you minimize that? Why did you minimize that?
What do you want me to do next?
Next, let's finish. Let's end the
Finish
call.
what?
We ended the this demonstration. What else do you want to see in WhatsApp? You're on WhatsApp. You're on the desktop, and I'm on the. But I just see now. I don't see your face like this. I see this. I see your display. Okay. Do you want to still share your screen with me?
Yes.
Okay. So I see your screen. I see your entire screen. You see that? I see your entire screen. Now, what do you want to do?
I want to do a video call between two people.
We have a video call between two people. Me and you, we have a video call between two people. And you're just sharing your screen. You're one person, I'm the other person via WhatsApp. That's a video. What do you want to do? We're doing that right now.
So what do we need to do to conclude it? Let's take a break.
Okay, so it's your end that we need
What
to.
should I do then?
Did you finish recording everything? So
Yes.
stop all your recording. I don't see you stop the recording. You have this on, you have this on. So you have to stop all your recordings.
Let's stop first with the
With what?
WhatsApp. I want to close WhatsApp.
So you want to stop? You want to stop the record? You want to stop the call? So go here.
X out of it.
Yeah. If you're X out, you stop the call. Now here we're on the call.
So
So
press the red icon to
yeah,
stop the call.
Yeah, you can. Right. That's it. You're still not fully comfortable with WhatsApp. You need practice. That's
Now,
all. Now you're no longer sharing with me. Okay.
library, what does that mean exactly? Oh, library, music and stuff like that. Okay. So now I can stop my MSN recorder.